know, right? It's like, okay, everything.
Dude, you just had lunch.
I know, but I'm still hungry.
Every time I see you, you're always eating.
What do you mean?
Remember that time with the pizza?
I'm talking about it.
Okay. I gotta get something sweet.
Yeah, you can get you and Jay.
Okay.
You ate an entire pizza in literally 5 seconds.
Yeah, but I was hungry that day.
Well, there have been other times.
Like when?
Anybody want this?
I'll take it.
In my drawer right here, Boston is out.
By the way, my jaw still kind of hurts from that.
Well, at least you've never been mugged.
What does that have to do with anything? But yeah, there was that time too.
Hey, yo,
Hey, you know what?
it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Rocks rattle and break down for the beat and the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone. Hey.
Just give me your wallet.
Your unhealthy eating habits has brought on all of that.
Well, I eat because it makes me feel better.
Here, try this instead.